Hello everyone from Elif's Kitchen. Today, I want to share with you an easy to make and delicious carrot soup recipe. Let's add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil to the pot. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt. I have chopped 1 large onion into big pieces. Let's add it to the pot. Also, add 3 to 4 cloves of chopped garlic. Grate 4 carrots, about half a kilo, using the coarse side of the grater, and add them in as well. Sauté over medium heat, stirring occasionally, for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then, add 1 tea glass, about 3 tablespoons, of flour. Continue sautéing for a few more minutes. Next, add about 6 cups of cold water. I added 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir occasionally until it starts boiling. Once it starts boiling, cover the pot and let it simmer on low heat for about 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 20 minutes, the soup is cooked. Blend it until smooth. Then, add 1 tea glass of liquid cream. If you prefer, you can use 1 tea glass of milk instead of cream. Mix the soup well. If the consistency seems too thick, you can add more hot water at this stage. I didn't add any extra water as the consistency was perfect for me. Let it simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes. Finally, add a few sprigs of finely chopped dill. Mix well and remove the soup from the heat. Our soup, full of flavor and packed with nutrients, is ready to serve. Serve it hot. As you can see in the video, it turned out to be a wonderful soup with a fantastic color and taste. I hope you try it and enjoy it too. If you watched my video until here and liked it, please support me by liking, commenting, and sharing. Thank you for watching.